Listen. If you're hearing this right now, this message is for you. Maybe you are hurting in silence. Maybe someone has taken your peace, your confidence, or your sense of safety. Maybe the world around you does not see the pain you carry every day. But please hear this clearly. You are not alone. Your life is valued. Your voice matters. Your story deserves to be heard. Rodney's lifestyle in every person who stands with this community. We see you, we hear you, and we stand with you. No one deserves to live in fear. No one deserves to be broken by the hands or the words of another. If you are in pain tonight, if you feel trapped, hold on, because your strength is greater than the darkness around you. And there are people who care, people who will listen, people who will help you rise again. This song is for you. In the quiet of the night, when the world falls asleep, you hide your tears, the pain runs deep. Broken promises echo through the room. Love turned cold like a silent storm of doom. Bruises on the heart nobody can see. Chains on the mind where your soul should be free. Every word they say tries to steal your light, but deep inside you still have the fight. You were never born to live in fear. Your life is precious, your voice is clear. Even in darkness your spirit can rise. There is a sunrise behind these skies. You are not alone. Hear this song tonight. There are hearts beside you, ready to fight. Through the pain, through the fear, through the storm and the scars, your strength shines brighter than the darkest stars. You are not alone. Stand up and be strong. There's a whole world saying you belong. Rodney's lifestyle and voices everywhere, standing together to show we care. If you feel shocked, speak. If you feel afraid, reach out. If someone tries to silence you, remember this. Your life matters. Your safety matters. Your future matters. Then there are people ready to stand beside you every step of the way. You are not alone. Hear the voices rise. Hope is alive in 1,000 cries. Through the pain, through the tears, through the long dark night, your courage will lead you back to the light. You are not alone. We are standing near a community ready to listen and hear. Rodney's lifestyle and hearts that care, telling the world that love must be fair. Hold on, your story is not over. The strength inside you is greater than the fear around you. And tonight, whole community stands with you. You are not alone. You're not alone. Your life matters. You are not alone.
What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome, guys. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How you do? How you stay? I hope you in good health and good strength. And as always, I hope you not feel no pain. If you don't feel any pain at all, just remember, check the doctor, go to the doctor, call the doctor, make the doctor come to your house if you have the money. But if you don't have the money, don't worry yourself. We go have somebody to carry you to the doctor or help you to the doctor. Or we go call your brother, your sister, your auntie, your cousin, your uncle. Every single person in your family we go try to get in touch with so that they can take you to the doctor. Now guys, my heart strong, but my heart have a problem. My heart weak for what I see go on. Guys, mental health crisis is not a joke, so we need to check our people. Yeah. Guys, let me say this to you. If I want a birthday today, happy birthday. Guys, me at a point, where it is hard to get up and make them videos. And each time you make the videos, you see somebody come out in the comment section. Sometimes I tell you some things where never make no sense. Sometimes people tell us some things where they've had up because domestic abuse, mental health, you can't even talk good. Mental health is dangerous. Domestic abuse, whether mental or physically, manipulation, control, narcissism is dangerous. It is real. My viewers and subscribers, it is real. Let me say this to each and every one of you. In a New Jersey, you see me make the video put out there. But it come like me just have to come talk about domestic violence. Because right now I want to cry. Because I feel it for the family, the old lady and the old man, retiree. And because you believe that your relationship is in trouble if you losing the woman where you're married to because of your dirty mental abuse, your dirty physical abuse, your narcissism, your mental control, everything. You believe say them must go out of this world. You must analyze them, and then you can't even stand up as a strong enough man and face jail. You analyze yourself, and now the youths, them, three of them. One of them are infant, 3-year-old and a 5-year-old. I feel they with this city. Sure. Hey, you see what me say? A boy like Mackie, I come out every day and make video and I like threaten Alicia Kim, and I threaten and I do like, and then you have people out there where I support them kind of something there, and you have people where you are listening and I hear people analyze people for what? Because a person decided to move away from the relationship, the abuse relationship, and people are analyze people for them something, and they don't still now do nothing to stop the abuse, to stop the bullying, to stop the cyberbullying. Me no feel nice, brother. Me no feel good about it, man. Me never know if me can make this a video as a long video. Me try if it go 10 minutes talking. Because if you don't see my eye full of water star. And it not nice. It not nice. And that's why I have to make the video I make earlier. to say Alicia Kim, don't take this thing for a joke. Don't take this thing for a joke. Cause this man a threaten you. To all the people them out there say, me soon come back, me soon come back. Hold on, me soon come back. Yeah, me people, me back, me back, me back. Me just couldn't, yo. You know why me, from a little bit, me take up law? Is because from a little bit and I grow, me know and believe and know say, a man of a putting hand on a woman. From a little bit, me know that. Walk away. Walk away. Walk away. My problem is if you believe, say, the relationship now work out, walk away. And if you believe, say, the relationship shouldn't be, you have your own life. It's your life. Me not tell you what you do with your life. Me not tell you what you do with your life. But I feel you have a right to do what you want to do with your life. You don't have no right to take nobody's life, brother. Guys, I'm telling you something. You see, let me come closer. You see, to all of the people them out there where I go through domestic violence right now. No one talk to me right now. Me only can say me sorry, you know. I mean, can't do that video, you know. Yeah, that video hard. But me I go on still, me I go through still. Yeah, man, me hard. Ghost phone, you know. So, soon come back again. I could try it again and see if I'm ready this time. To all of the people them out there where I go through domestic violence, no matter what kind, mentally or physically. Me know say some are afraid to call the police. Yeah, afraid to call the police. Because you don't have nowhere to go. You don't have no other place to go. You don't have no family. If you don't live in a foreign country, you don't have no family. But listen to what me I say. You see my number up there? Yeah, man, you see my number up there. The number there, partner. Send me a message. If you don't want to send me the address, make me call the police. Make me tell the police which part to go. And make me tell the police. Make me call the hotline. No, children, children. Sometimes, may I make this a video? I mean, I want to make it. I'm gonna post it. So, I'm gonna post it. Guys, it just, it hard, man. It hard for every time you take up the paper, you turn on the news, every time you look, is a man unalive, a whole bunch of people because of domestic violence. The only good thing that come out of this domestic violence is he never turn. And guess what happened? Listen what happened. You see when he go back in the house, he go in the room and look on the three youths. Listen to what me I said. This is what the police say. He go in the room and look on the three youths. Then come out of the room, go in the other room and turn it on himself. So the only good thing that come out of this is him never turn it on the youths them, man. And the only good thing come out of this, And then people who really sit down and out there and watch Mackie I threaten Alicia Kim. Who watch Mackie a go on just because Mackie himself divorced Alicia Kim. So in other words, all I want to way is a supporter of them. You all are a supporter of the people who is bringing down hell on these people. in the way of domestic abuse, domestic violence. The wicked set of people is the wicked set. But listen to me, to all of you out there where I suffer in a domestic violence and domestic abuse. My heart goes out to uno, and me I pray for uno. I am here. Me there, me can talk to me. I'm no doctor. Me I'm no doctor, but me know people and me know things. That's the reason why I want to have a place where people can call in. Me do not want a place where people, me don't want to talk about Mackie anymore. Me do not want to talk about Mackie and talk about Drunkrotown no more. I do not want to be able to get up every day and talk about them. To be honest, I don't know. Me be honest, I don't know. Me tired fear talk about them because guess what? The more you talk about them is the more them are gonna keep going because them have a set of people around them where I support them, will like where them are do to Alicia Kim and to others. Viewers and subscribers. We can't go no more than this, you know. We can't go no more than this video, but me go ask my friend. We have a little talk. Good morning, good afternoon, Gemini.
Good morning to you too. Or maybe good afternoon, depending on where you are. How can I help you today?
Gemini, I would like you to tell my YouTube viewers and subscribers how bad domestic abuse is to an individual who is living in that domestic abuse or domestic violence.
Living with domestic abuse is incredibly harmful. It can cause severe physical injuries, but also deeply affects mental health, leading to anxiety, depression, and PTSD. The constant fear and control can really break down someone's self worth and sense of security. Is there anything specific you'd like to mention to them?
What is the best thing to do if you find yourself in a domestic violence relationship? What's the best thing to do?
The safest and most important thing to do is try to get someplace safe and reach out for help. You could talk to a trusted friend or family member, contact a domestic violence hotline, or even call the police. They can offer guidance on making a safety plan and finding resources. Remember, you're not alone, and it's never your fault. Please prioritize your safety above everything else.
Thank you, Gemini. And Gemini, one more thing is in a domestic violent relationship, when one partner decided to walk away from it, can you say why it sometimes turn into to violence where somebody lose their life?
You see, domestic abuse is fundamentally about power and control. When someone tries to leave, it presents a major threat to that control. The abuser might escalate the violence as a desperate attempt to regain control or punish the partner for leaving. That's why the time after separation is so dangerous. Does that make sense?
Thank you very much. It make a lot of sense. And one other thing, Gemini. Gemini, when you in a relationship and the relationship finish and your ex-partner continue to your threaten your life on social media, what's the best way of dealing with that situation?
You should definitely take those threats seriously. The first thing is to protect yourself by blocking them on social media and keeping proof of everything, like screenshots of the threats. You can report the behavior to the social media platform and definitely go to the police, as threatening someone's life is illegal. You might also want to look into getting a protective order. Are there particular things they're saying that are making you feel most concerned?
Yes, what they're saying is they're using words like your dad died at age 37 and right now you are 36. So when your age 37 comes around, karma is going to come at you.
Those kinds of threats, linking your age to your dad's death, are meant to be really scary, and it's not okay. Because they're making the threats so personal, you should definitely go to the police. Make sure to show them the messages and explain the context. They can help you with assessing the danger and looking into legal options. Are you thinking about contacting them soon?
Yes, I am very concerned about it and because Gemini, I respect women and kids and people. And I don't like to see people going through abuse or being threatened. It, 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 I don't like it. So I want to help. So I want to put these things out there to get some help for this young lady.
It's really important to be supportive and encourage this young lady to reach out for help. You could point her toward domestic violence hotlines or organizations that can give her guidance safely, and definitely encourage her to report the social media threats to the police. They can provide protection and take action against the ex partner. You being there for her is already a huge step.
Thank you very much, Gemini, and have a wonderful day. And God bless you.
You're very welcome. I hope you have a great day too, and that things resolve safely for that young lady. Take care.
Thank you. Just like that. I am who I am. I am Rodney's lifestyle. Real talk TV. I'm out. Bye bye.